Hey YouTube, join me in the middle of another job. What are we up to today? So the objective of today is to replace this button here. This is the start stop button for the engine when you stop at lights and it auto stops and then restarts. Absolutely bloody annoying. Unfortunately, this one's absolutely knackered. It doesn't depress fully when you do it, not like a, it's like a So we've got a new module which is there and we're going to fit it. So first thing we've done, we've got rid of this surround. I've just bobbed that on the floor there. But what we need to do now, the objective is we need to get this front panel off so we can get access to this. So we're going to pop these off, these little clips. I think it's just this two, and hopefully this fascia will come off and then we'll get access to the actual button itself. So I'm hoping once we get in there, you see on the new one it's got like two little clips on it. I'm hoping it's just a case of unclipping those with the old one, slide it out, wiring harness into the back, pop it in, should be done. So we'll see if it is as easy as that. Right, okay, we've popped it off. So we will need to try and get this out somehow. And by the looks of it, it is just a couple of little clips. Let's see if I can get it now. No, I might need two hands for this. And then once we can get that out, take the wire out, and then pop the new one in. So might just need to put you down for a second. Right, we've got the button out. Tip, it comes out through the front. So what you need to do is push it from back to front. We ended up unclipping all the wiring harnesses for each button just because it were impossible while they were all connected. So we just unclipped those, then the fascia pop, obviously we got the fascia off, and then it were just literally a case of squeezing those together and pushing it through front. So what we'll do now is we'll get the new one mounted in. Easy as that. That feels a lot better. That's depressing properly now, and the fascia is not knackered. One thing on these buttons, because you can see, I don't know if you can see on this one as well, it's got a crack in it. I think the airbag one as well. All you really need to do, like with these, the buttons work fine, but you can actually unclip the fascias from the buttons. But if anybody can tell me where you can just buy button fascias, I'd be interested to know, because this one is 50 quid from Poland. Yeah, so let's get it back. I'm going to plug the wiring looms back in, the wiring harnesses back in, and then just clamp it in, and then we'll fire up the engine and see if it it starts lighting up again and working properly. Okay, so engine's running, buttons installed, so let's try it. There we go, it's now illuminating again, which it had stopped doing. So I'm going to take that as working. Turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. Or turn it on, turn it off, should I say. So that's all good. So that's how you replace the buttons, these buttons anyway. Yeah, so hopefully that's helped somebody at some point. Again, I'm probably going to do this one at some point, and hopefully these if I can find them. But they're not the easiest things to get hold of, these things. So, and they're not cheap. But yeah, but the button itself wasn't working before, so we've now got the auto start switch, on off switch, now working again, which I really need because I detest auto start and stop. But yeah, more videos coming. I've got to change the light switch next. That's all cracked and knackered, but that's proven to be a bit stubborn. It's quite simple to get those out, but I think the actual switch itself's broken as well. It works, the lights work, the auto mode works, but yeah, got that to do next, but we'll save that for another day. So I'm going to get the fascia back on, but if you want to see that, if anybody's interested, I've ordered the rear big brake upgrade as well. That's on its way, so it shouldn't be too long before we're getting that fitted as well, so subscribe with that if you're interested. But yeah, hopefully this video's helped somebody. Just a little annoying little job, but now I've got that working again. I'll see you soon.